So today we are going to scrub the air in the home with a Wi-Fi smart purifier by Zigma. We all know fresh air makes the home more comfortable, so that being said, I'm pretty excited to give this purifier a test. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Today's episode we have partnered up with Zigma to take a look at their Wi-Fi smart air purifier. We have all the links and details located in the description if you'd like to take a look. So if there's one thing I like to eliminate, that is dust particles in your home. I mean, even though the air looks clean most of the time, there's still a lot of pollen and dust and cat hair and just a lot of stuff in the air I would like to keep clean. So, that being said, let's get this purifier out of the box, give it a try, and see what we think. Okay, so we've got a bigger box, so we're going to have to unbox it right here on the floor instead of the unboxing table, but that is completely fine. This is the Zigma air purifier. It is the Adron 300, if I'm saying that correctly. So, let's not waste any more time. See what we get in the box. It's really in the box, that's for sure. We're just gonna rip the box open because it's obviously in there. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now let's get the knife and open the second box. I feel like we're really getting somewhere now because we have the paperwork. And some styrofoam on top. We don't need that. Ooh, fancy. Here we go. We have the air purifier. There's nothing else in the box. So we got what we need. And let me tell you, it feels really good. I love it when I open tech and it doesn't feel like cheap made product. I mean, this is nice feeling. Got a cord on the bottom. On the top we have the controls. On the side here we have a QR code reader with the Adron 300 on it. A nice logo in the very center. And that's basically all you need out of the box. It's the air purifier. So let's get it plugged up and purify some air. Make sure on your first time use you do remove the plastic from your carbon filter. This way you will actually get air through it and filter it instead of blocking the fan port on your purifier. Very important to remember that the filter will be wrapped in plastic and it does need to be removed before use. You can pull the door off easily like so, then access the filter. The H13 HEPA filter keeps particle levels at low and removes 99.97% of dust, pollen, and other odors. And that is exactly what we're looking for out of this air purifier. With its efficient cleaning performance, we have 3 levels that are adjustable, CADR up to 330 M3/H. Thanks to the 5-fold cleaning system. 1 pre-filter, 2 H13 H14, 3 activated carbon, 4 UVC light sterilization, 5 the release of negative ions that make fine particles condensed in the air and accelerates the precipitation, which can be inhaled by the Adron 300 and cleaned thoroughly. The front panel is where all of the controls are and gives you different fan speed settings, along with a night mode that will kill the lighting if you wish to turn off the lights. While you can also use the app to control, schedule, and track your indoor PM 2.5 levels. I thought that was pretty cool. Even has a child safety lock to keep the controls from being changed. So if you have kids or pets that like to press buttons with pretty lights, that could be a huge feature. Now Zigma has real AI technology, will learn on its own what is best for the purification plan for your home to be effective and energy saving. The AI detection system can detect, adjust, and display indoor air quality in real time, while the energy consumption of the machine is reduced by 40% compared to the automatic mode. The purification efficiency is increased by 30% and the energy consumption is reduced by 40%. along with multiple modes to choose from sleep, automatic, manual, and child lock. Not to mention this air purifier runs extremely quiet even at its high speed settings. And it's rated to be less than 25 dB while running in sleep mode. Also keep in mind if you're running a smart home with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant, this is a great add-on piece of tech that you can add to your smart home giving you voice commands. Overall, I've been enjoying this unit and I'm highly impressed with Zigma's AI smart technology. It's been doing an excellent job running in my home, removing pet hairs, odors, and other particles in the air. So I would definitely recommend this air purifier to anyone that is looking into it. Not to mention the affordable 1v1 exclusive customer service. Professional engineers will solve your problems for you so you don't have to worry about any after sales. Don't forget we have all of our links and details located in the description if you'd like to check it out. I would also like to give Zigma a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. If you found it helpful, then be sure to give this video a like and get in the comments to let us know where you need this air purifier at in your home. That is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next review.